Hi guys, I just made a video. I had this what if we removed the as bin folder, and I've shown you the error message. I just made this video to recognize the kind of error Linux throws at you. If you see a window and say, what's this? Then you know what's the cause of it, right? Now there's something else that maybe should include as well, make a video about, is sudo remove -rf. They even make t-shirts about it, right? So let's have fun. It is VirtualBox, I don't care. So in here, if we actually tell the system, and I saw something else while I was looking online. So remove -r is recursively. I have to check, right, manual. Let's make it also a little bit tutorial kind of thing. Man remove. There is the force thing, and there's the R, small r, big R, doesn't matter it seems. And there is the F for force, and then root. Root is just slash. So this is my present working directory. If I wanted to remove all my files from home, all right, I would tell that. But if I say root, so it actually is this content that's gone. That means all of it is gone. So let's have fun and do a sudo remove, like on the t-shirt, -rf/ and see what happens. Respect the privacy of others. Think before you type. No, did not do that. With great power comes great responsibility. And so everything is gonna be gone. It is dangerous to operate recursively on root. Use no preserve root to override this failsafe. So they put in a failsafe. Smart. So no preserve root. I wonder. So another what if came in my head. So if I would do this, it's probably gonna work, right? No preserve root. That looks good. But what if I say, don't do this. Go to become root. Now I'm root. Would it still say that? -rf/. Nah, it still says that. So there is still the same safeguard available when you're root or not root. It doesn't matter. Preserve root. Let's have a look what happens. Cannot remove lots of stuff. Right mouse click. Not possible. Boom. Okay. I don't know how we should have a look at it, but basically we have nothing anymore, right? There is nothing available anymore. Everything has been removed. There's no way to show you if there is somehow, except maybe have a look at the Oracle virtual machine. That would be a good idea maybe, to see if it's big or not. So the ArcoLinux 30.5 vid. Let's have a look, see if I can find that. So in Eric, Control H, in VirtualBox machines, in Excel, I guess. Yeah, Excel, this thing 26.3 doesn't really say how big it is. 28. So no, that's not how we can see it. Maybe, yep. Maybe if I do Super 7, put you back to screen 2, start with the ISO in there, and ask gparted. That will give me an idea of how much is in there, I think. Or does it not show how many gigabytes is used? Let's see. There's also a nice t-shirt here. So the remove, don't try this at home. So run gpart, does it show anything? It shows that it's used 9 gigs. That's strange. I would think it would be 0. So there's still stuff. Maybe it did not stop it. I stopped it at some point in time, or it stopped itself. But if you want to see if I can still boot up, and that's the point of all these trials, that's what error will we get, right? Shut down, restart from the hard disk. What error will we receive? We get this. So grub is still there, wants to boot something up, and it says nothing there. Grub rescue. So that's the error we get if we do remove -rf and then longer no preserve root or something like that, and then slash. Everything is gone. Nothing to do but to do a nice clean install. All right, cheers.